Welcome! If you use Google Chrome on your Android phone, you've probably noticed those little app icon badges that pop up whenever something is actively downloading. For some people, they're useful, but for others, they can be distracting or unnecessary. The good news is, you can easily disable them in just a few quick steps. In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn off Chrome's active download app icon badges on Android. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where all the customization begins. Once inside the settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Apps and tap on it. Next, within the list of installed apps, locate Chrome. Since Chrome is often near the top of the list of your frequently used apps, it shouldn't take too long to find. Tap to open Chrome's settings page. From here, you'll want to tap on Notifications. This section controls all the different types of alerts and badges that Chrome is allowed to display on your device. You'll see several categories listed, each tied to different kinds of Chrome notifications. The next step is to tap on Notification Categories. This essentially breaks down Chrome's notification types even further, giving you more control over what you want to see and what you don't. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Active Downloads. This is the one we're targeting. Tap on it, and you'll see a toggle option for app icon badges. Simply switch this option off. And that's it. You've now disabled Chrome's active download icon badges on Android. No more tiny numbers or download indicators cluttering up your home screen or app drawer. Chrome will still allow downloads to run in the background, and your files will still complete as usual. But your icon will remain clean and badge-free. This small adjustment helps keep your device looking tidy and prevents you from being distracted every time Chrome starts or finishes a download. It's a quick fix that can make your phone feel much more streamlined. If you ever want those badges back, just follow the same steps and toggle it back on. Simple and easy. Thanks for watching.